I've settled in quite nicely to my new job. I'm really liking the 3-day weekends. I've bought something on eBay. I was on eBay and the red wine got the better of us, and I've bought basically it's a steam engine, full size Stewart and Turner and closed steam engine. Quite a nice one. It's decent sort of size. Weighs about 140 pounds. I'm going to try and do Fridays, a little bit on each Friday on that, and I'll probably do maybe a fortnightly or a monthly video showing the rebuild of it, or well, it will be a rebuild. It's got to come to bits all the way down to the bottom and then put it back together again. Anyway, I'm looking forward to getting that. I'll hopefully get it this week. It's in London. I've got to arrange to get it picked up, but it's certainly something to look forward to for the rest of the year, really. I've got this dovetail cutter set up. It's 0.1 off that bottom face, and I need to go into here for 3mm on that side and 3mm on that side, and that's going to get us very near, and then it's 0.1, 0.2 to get the final size. So we'll start it up. We'll touch it off. There's actually a little bit left in there. Right, so it's taking that corner right out, a nice square corner. I'm going to zero the y-axis. We'll put a cut on. ½ mil. Of course, the deeper you go, the cut increases because it's cutting on a taper. We're going to have plenty of water, plenty of coolant on this. A little bit more speed, just so it sounds right. This is a lot tougher than the last one I machined. You see with the other side now, exactly the same procedure. This is tough stuff, this, not nice. According to the measurements, that should be ready to go in there now, or possibly slightly more taken out of it. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, and that's with it fully unadjusted. There's plenty of room for that to nip up, so we'll leave that at that. I'm going to put a chamfer tool across those two edges and then just a little file to deburr that bit. And believe me, that is as hard as a hob to hell. That's the worst one I've ever done. The last one was nice and soft in comparison. Looks better. Look the same, it's not critical. Just take the top corner off, that's all. That's like a good whack at the belly end on a Sunday morning. The last bit is to drill and tap a hole in there for that screw. That's the adjuster for adjusting the height of the tool holder. We'll mount this in the machine, find the centre of that and drill it and tap it. He supplied a stud which would appear to be 8mm, because I think that's fine 10 on there. Standard 8mm will do fine for that. I've got a really good 8mm top, so it should be able to, because this is going to be not nice to put threads into. See how it works, how the wedge goes down, and these really do get a good hold, and there's plenty of room for it to, plenty left, because sometimes these are a little bit slack. Right, that hole there is in the centre, so all we need to do is find the centre of this, which I'm just going to eyeball. That's pretty good there. Drill and tap that 8x125. It's just a bit that grips the blade. Yeah, it goes like that, so I've got plenty clearance for an 8mm stud in there. This is one of the Banggood spot drills I've got. Nothing no matter what that really is, and that's severely tough material. Use a start tap. Last thing I want to do is snap the top off of me after all this. That's done the job very nicely indeed. Plenty of threads in there, I think. Right, and that's a little study supplied. Very happy with that. Straightforward little machining job, one of those collars out of that. If that's enough material there, I'll make them two. I can drill and bore straight through it. two 10mm holes to be drilled through those now. Zero at that. Half the axis, which is really simple. Turn that to 0. Right in the middle. Need to find an edge now, or an end. It's the same bit of kit. I'm pretty sure that's 10mm. We take 5 off that. That's going to put us right on the edge. Right, 0 again, so right on the edge of there. Right, that'll do just so if we break through, we don't damage anything. 9.5. Right, John, so if we go 9.5, that'll put us in the centre. .5, and it certainly appears to be in the middle. Then we'll drill straight through. These are the Cleveland drills that I give away every month. Really good value. Right, so 19 from the centre of that hole should put her in the centre of there. New hoops. Which it will do. You can do exactly the same thing using the hand wheels or graduations, but it's just so much easier using the DRO because you can basically forget about any backlash. And they shut on me untidy bench here, and once again I'm going to use my dad's little Stanley hand drill just to deburr those. Real handy little tool that, and every time I use it I think about my dad. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do, it does make a difference. Anyway, thanks for watching.